This is the iGULU Smart Brewer. It's an all-in-one countertop machine that promises to brew real beer at home with the push of a button.
Now, is the beer good? And is this device actually worth buying? By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly if this machine is for you or if you can skip the purchase.
I dig it.
I went ahead and unboxed the iGULU. Everything was packed really well. Inside the box, you get a drip tray, a power cord, a keg handle, keg pump, and the main brewer. Inside the brewer itself is a jug and all the internal components you're going to need. As with any brewing setup, the first setup is to clean and sterilize everything that will touch your ingredients. It seems like a lot of parts at first glance, but honestly, it really wasn't as complicated as I thought. You can use a beer kits, or with the master mode, you can start making your own recipes and brews from scratch. Now, if beer is not your thing, it can also make cider, wine, mead, kombucha, even sparkling water.
Now, I'm gonna be brewing up some beer because, well, I love craft beer, but I never thought I would be able to make it myself. Let me show you how easy it is. Now, for my first beer, I'm gonna be doing a Bavarian Hefeweizen.
Brewing is pretty straightforward. The beer kits come with everything pre-measured. Start with 1 gallon of distilled water. The jug even has a built-in marker to show you how much to pour. Each kit clearly explains what you should mix in first. Drop in the extracts, your malt, and give it a stir. Then finally, sprinkle in the yeast, but do not stir it. That part is very important. Next, place the seal on the jug. Slide the jug into the brewer. Attach the dispenser, and then connect the pressure hose. And finally, place the lid on top. Now here's the cool part. Scan the tag that comes with your beer kit. The machine reads the tag, and it's going to automatically set all the brewing parameters, like the temperature, fermentation time, and pressure levels. Once it confirms the tag, you press brew, and that's it. The brewing begins. Now, if you're expecting to drink that beer the same day, yeah, that's not how it works, but the same is said about other brewing methods. Now this Hefeweizen took a few days to finish. Next up was my second brew. I brewed an amber lager. Same process as before. Water, grain, stir, yeast, seal, jug, lid, and scan the tag.
Now this one took a few weeks. Yes, weeks. I'm never gonna complain about the time it takes to smoke up a brisket. But Sal, what about the taste?
Now for the first beer, I was genuinely impressed. It's actually tasted like a good beer, the kind of thing that you'd pay for at a tap room. I did have a bit of pressure issues though, not because of the machine itself, but because I didn't secure the lid. And the amber lager, the one that took a few weeks, again, I was very shocked. It was by far my favorite though.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's good beer. That's excellent, actually. I love the smell. Probably should have smelled it first, right? But that smell is really good. That color, I mean, I don't know if the camera could capture it, but it's a perfect amber color. It's really nice. The flavor is really good. Again, I brewed this in this machine, scanned the code, ran it through. You know, it did its whole thing, and I'm drinking homemade beer. How excellent is that? I think that's pretty cool.
Not only does the iGULU make good beer, but it does so in a way that makes the brewing process feel accessible. With the automation of settings and the pre-measured ingredients you get from these kits, it's very easy to do for a complete beginner.
So who is this for? Because up until this point, I really wasn't sure. But after some thinking, here's what I came up with.
This machine is not for instant gratification because each brew can take days or even weeks. It's really not for saving money either. These beer kits cost a decent amount of money, and each gallon of beer only gives you about 10 to 12 pours. It's definitely too expensive for everyday drinking, but it's going to be worth checking out their kits from time to time for a special occasion or to try something new. These kits, as good as they are, will probably not replace your favorite drinks.
But I really don't think iGULU is trying to do any of that. If you're at this point of the video and you're thinking, Sal, this is too slow or it's too expensive than buying your own beer or your own brewing kit, well, you aren't wrong. And I think iGULU is okay with that. Now, what this device will do, it's going to introduce you to the hobby. It takes what used to be a very technical, intimidating process, and it brings it into your home. And it does that in a simple, easy, and it makes it as fun as possible. It also removes one of the most difficult aspects to fermentation, and that's pressure and temperature control. The iGULU lowers the barrier to entry for the beginner like myself, who doesn't know the first thing about brewing your own beer.
And with the master mode, that's where your creativity will unlock. You can start creating your own beer recipes, eliminating the need to buy the kits. You can enter your own custom recipes and start experimenting. With the iGULU, it doesn't stop at beer. It can also brew cider, wine, mead, kombucha, and even sparkling water. But I get it, it's not for everyone.
If you have been at all curious about brewing your own beer, but you really thought that the barrier to entry was way too high, this might be the tool you need to get right into the hobby.